Hello my friends, hope all you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to make some strawberry roses. These are so simple and easy. These will be perfect for Valentine's Day or weddings or birthday parties. So the first step we're going to do is take our skewer and take our fresh strawberry. We're going to put it on the base of the strawberry like so. And then I'm going to take my paring knife. We're going to start with the base and we're just going to cut little slits. You don't want to cut all the way down and then flap it like this. We're going to go all around. Alright, next we're going to do the middle. We're going to just cut a little bit. Alright, that's the middle. So now we're going to go on top. Put a slit in the middle. Alright, and then the top. Just like that. Alright my friends, there you have it. Strawberry roses. Don't that look gorgeous? Look at the petals. And these would be great dipped in chocolate. You could garnish it on cakes, cupcakes, fruit platters. These are so delightful. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. Many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Much love and happy Valentine's Day.